of Kenya gave training to our youths.
Yes.
Those who qualified Koegwe SAU, 50,000. They were taken for training. Induction was made. The counties, County Chon CP, the government had known the number. Ya youths bago benefit korwe SAU. Every SAU be send ons. They yokwa ukorwe bank even if you apply for a loan or well for me moja. Have approved chiwa zanjiri chiko na chunkenkenge. Ne chinde njiro watafungo you will be saving this amount for per month. So ekwende aba emeroweli abantu bo position bali batata getia mangana ya nga wanyanya tapandi ne campaign. It can be another source. Your corolere president. After 2 years, ya very president bantu bakumorola TV, tigaora rara ikagusi. It is a privilege. Abantu abagusi korole president yiye kurukwembe. So tigantu bara romondo mwe bikoro to na kiabegete nga kiagukwana physically. Abantu bakonya korali umuntu no mube umuntu no yamati aginata kere gocha abantu geto bakonya kutangaza na kimati is likely to come to Kisii in 2 weeks time. Bona enjere bakonya koralira linga matiangi gojale, that's preparing a ground inga naki matiangi is coming as if matiangi was not born in Kisii. So that yaba kuziba jako prang matiangi manga gojale gocha. People will come as many as possible so that the bacha ko romonte stranger. Kiara matiangi oliba manyete tali ya rugo chugocha maybe. Ne Naruto ekara chaga Kisii nera bantu mbase kaseketenga kakitika to tomaro romonto yoratali. Oyo vegete economy esaligete oyo abantu bagoteba economy esaligete nenda abantu bagaja bamorole tiga abantu baito mahoro baligereria president mbaza kwa uchionyo nga president yasionekana ni mtu mbaya ni muwachi ni nini tigo montache abantu bamasomelimo nanda chache lia kabere tomasome tomanya weakness yae nanda chache tomanya kabisa na kyao kole bintu toko ke gosto mwange pi
Igo nyote is about Korali president, tell me about you Masai.
This is a fund omonto ye initiated ne president. And this money was given to the government of Kenya. The head of government is the president. Koikama na chichi bese chubuna chiwe keraba sae. Koikate biaba sae opportunities ya promise te karango kole campaigninga inkia basae bara konyek. Amangana employment and say lead ki employment Kenya keira Z department ye ko employ boniga ne chi department ye chinge muna wono mangana amake amane ministry education ne what opportunity for employment. These are the departments kera sector ichire. So that's why abana oliba somire university mbama etenga after university is a changed person. Oko umera ne society bunere anyagenda bunere aitanyo employment kosa clear employment. Pona azabaige government ya Kenya ya ligiri enchera abasaye bago clear employment themselves. Munda binaki abanta baiga baigete form 4 babwate D amana C minus na babo ko employers of abantu ba A. Because si bategete ba the university ba kole medicine fees yage nda igoromba ko nyara waka no because barude ko rumeche metaka omonto tigeranjero ocha koligi opportunities chiabora ocha se private sector onyoro monto dio D no wale ajagete ko ni amache ukiniro twalira macha mango twalira kaulsel ka mache na ata geto monto pipi omonto V ocha korosi pipi ocha kominyoki oja kumonelia macho kweta kagendrete. So our youths have been empowered.